Hello everybody. So I have something really cool to do today. I have something really cool to do today. Oh, and hello, how are you beautiful people? So I need a new UV light. These little UV lights are really handy when, well, you see people advertising them for discovering cat urine as an example. Or you can use it to find minerals or insects or all sorts of other things. They're very, very handy. So I need to build a new one. So I've got this shitty cheap flashlight bought at the dollar store. It's like 2 lumens bright. And I'm going to put a bunch of these UV LEDs in it, which should make a big difference. So we're going to swap these LEDs out and probably swap out the resistor inside of there too. Might have to. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll find out. But anyway, so let's get started on that. And by the way, before we continue, don't forget to like and subscribe below, please, to help the channel out. And if you want to help us out, you can join us on Patreon and help keep us fed and keep the content coming and all the good stuff. So anyway, on with the video. So, oh, by the way, we're into spooky season, so I've got some wonderful black candles here. Alright, so let's take this guy apart first of all. Let's see. Oh, that's horrific. Oh god, I think I'm going to put some dielectric grease on that. Ugh, make it a little bit less scratchy and nasty to... Ugh, try that. Oh, that's way better. Oh, it's not nearly as grating. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is I need to take this little ring out of here. And there's a little ring holding in this LED. And it also doubles as a connector to connect the chassis, like the housing, to the board. So I don't think I've ever taken one of these guys out before, so let's just wing it. Probably gonna break it. If I do, I'll figure something else out, an alternative approach. Oh god, how do I get this fucking thing out? Like, I gotta like get in there and pry the fucking thing out? God damn. Shut up, computer. Ugh. It is... Oh, I straightened it out. Let's try another pick. Can I get you out now? There we go. Oh my god, I did it. Now I should probably bend that back into shape so I can reuse it. Put that aside. What do we got here? So here's our positive. So clearly our positive connects to the center, which means that this is positive here. And whatever, fuck it. Now can I get this off? Oh man, this is gonna be a... Oh, there we go. I spoke too soon. Alright, so let's start taking these LEDs off of here. That's not too loud. That might be a little bit too loud, actually. Yeah, I don't think I can use that right now. It's getting a little late. We're gonna use some desoldering wick, because it's like midnight, and I don't want to wake up my housemate. Wouldn't be nice, would it? So I'm gonna get some wick here, and I'm just gonna desolder everything like so. There we go. Let's see if I can get this one too. Really handy what you can do with dollar store junk. No jokes. Really handy. I should probably put the cap back on my soldering iron. Oof. Let's see here. This is gonna be a finicky little process. I know this isn't network related, but this is just fun stuff for me. So I like doing fun stuff. And I thought as well that so many times you guys say to me, why didn't you make a video when you did that? And then I say, well, I didn't think to because I didn't think anybody would be very interested in that. And then they're like, no, that's great. We'd love to see that. And it's like, well, shit. Sorry about that. So anytime I'm doing any bench work, this is why I changed my rig so that I'm using OBS to record my top down now. It's because now I can simply click record and start doing this. Here we go. And my cats are zoomy. This is great. Okay, I'm going to turn off this big desoldering station because it is making a lot of noise and we don't need it right now. I'm sure I could also hit this thing with my hot air gun and be able to... if I hit it with my hot air gun, I'm pretty sure that I'd be able to desolder a lot better too. There we go. Let's get this up to about 400. That's odd. Hold on. I got no conductor. Great. Just blow a tip? I might have. Oh, what a piece of shit. Yes, that's what happens when you buy these things online. They don't last forever. This one might be good. There, that's better. Oh, that one's not working either. Did I just lose my whole gun? Oh, you motherfucker. Fuck, that pisses me off. The reason why you get it so cheap from China, kids. The Chinese are good at making stuff cheap. Well, I'm gonna say that that's probably gonna ruin my night. My soldering iron's just fucking smoked. Lovely Chinese garbage. Thank you, China, for selling us such useless shit. There we go. Maybe it's working now. Thank you for a restart. So I'm still not taking back anything that I just said. I mean, God knows I would love to get a nice Hacko soldering station, but I am not able to justify spending like, you know, $400 or $500 on one. Is this dead again? I was gonna just dip this in there. That might help a little bit. I wish I could use my new solder sucker, but like I said, it's kind of late here. It's the only time I seem to be able to get videos in now. There we go, we're almost all the way around the rosy here. Okay, don't you know, eh, you hoser? Let's cut this off here. Boop. Put a little bit more flux on here, because sometimes flux helps a little bit. Flux it. Okay, there we go. So I think that's all the LEDs on the inside. Okay, so skinny goes in, fat goes out. I'm very tempted. You know what I might do, actually, is I think I'm just going to lift this guy off, and I'll put it back on after. Where did I put my little... There it is. Here we go. We'll just take a pair of tweezers here. There we go. I'll put that over there for now. Hey. So how many we have left? 4. Fuck. pain in the ass, right? Stripping these little boards. Am I right? There we go. And last one. Here we go. I think I'm going to just wipe this off now. There we go. Let's take the bit right here and, oops, hit the camera. There we go. Okay, so those guys are all out now. And so I'm just going to a little bit of ISO on here. Give her a little bit of a wipe. There we go. Clean her up just a tiny bit. There we go. Beautiful. Let's put that aside. I got some TP around here. I thought I had some TP around here. Anyway, let's get the new LED bulbs in here for my little UV light. And I am just going to test to see. I'm pretty sure that I need 3 volts for this, so I'm just going to put it up to 2.7. There we go. And I just need to verify which side is positive, because I always forget. I'm pretty sure that the skinny side is positive. Let's see here. Yep, skinny side is positive. Cool. Alright, so we'll just start tucking these guys in. Let's see here. Skinny side goes in. There's one. Should I put a little tiny dab of solder on here? I think so. And actually, you know what I really should do? I'm going to grab a brush, and I'm going to get a little bit of flux on here. Fresh flux. There we go. Cool. Alright, so now let's start getting these guys on here. So I want the skinny part in. There we go, skinny part in. Just going to bend that a little bit like so. And let's put another skinny one in. Skinny part in. There we go. And where's another one? Skinny part in. There we go. Now what I'll do is I'll just press down on here. So I should be able to hit these guys with just a tiny bit of solder. And actually this is also where I want to switch tips. So I'm about as clumsy as a drunken ox. Here we go. No! Yeah, I really suck at this. I guess I could watch some tutorial videos and get better at soldering, but whatever. We're having fun. And that should hold them in place. Now I can push it down nice and tight. There we go. Nice and easy. There we go. Now I'll just press down and heat up 2 legs at a time here, and that should get them nice and stable. Nice and flush. There we go. Well, that almost worked. It didn't, though. So I'm just going to turn the legs on here. I'm sure there's a million better ways to do this, but whatever. Boop, 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 boop. Get my little flesh cutters here. Cool. There we go. I have to take a little bit of solder off of this too. A little touch there, a little touch there, and a little touch there. I'm just going to take off a tiny bit of solder here. A little bit too much. Might actually get some wick on here. Man, I can't believe how much I suck at this. I am rusty. There we go. I'm just going to reaffix this. Oh, we're in the wee hours of the morning. It's midnight. Really? Okay, there we go. So there's the first ring. Okay, now where's the other positive? Okay, the other positive is looking inward as well, so let's see here. Let's put in some more of these little LEDs. Hopefully I don't have to change anything. I don't think that there even is a resistor on here. I think these are just 3 volts, just straight up. It's cool what you can do with the stuff that you get at the dollar store, isn't it? And one left. Now, what I think I might do is actually place this back on here, because this will definitely help me land these things up perfectly. There we go. Alright, flux all around. And there we go. Alright, let's touch her up. There we go. I could think of some clever banter and stuff, but I'm really tired and honestly, what more can I say? I did some cringy stuff today because I drank too much coffee. I think I embarrassed myself really bad in front of a client with my enthusiasm over BGP. It's exciting when you're learning things, right? There we go. Yeah, these solders are turning out way better. And we'll give them a little flush cut. Cool. Alright, I'm just going to touch this up just a wee tiny bit because there was I think there was a couple of solder points on there that I really sucked on, but whatever. Let's just goober on some flux here because flux really makes the solder stick nicely. I can just go in here and clean it up. Cool. Alright, there's that. Now I think the final step is to put this spring back on. I need to blob onto here. There we go. And now I think so I don't burn my stupid fingers, I'm going to use this. I think it's on there. I got a big short that I just created here, which I'm going to have to like clean up. Ugh. God, I'm terrible at this. There we go. That's looking pretty good. Yeah, it feels like it's on there pretty good too. Alright, let's test it out. Let's see here. So our positive is in the center. And there we go. I'm going to turn this up to about 3 volts now. And, ooh, that's very psychedelic. Cool beans. Alright, so now we can clean this thing up and put it back together and see how cool our flashlight works. Alright, so I'm going to grab some ISO here, clean up all the flux, get it off of here, make it nice and pretty. Should I just clean that up just a tiny bit in there too? There we go. That looks good. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Okay, so let's put this back in. There we go. Let's plop that we'll just plop that back inside. Not worried about any potential thermal expansion that might have caused some issues. Hey, hey. I should probably straighten that out. Let me get a pair of pliers. Alright, there we go. Gonna pinch this back into shape. Pinchy pinchy, like a little earwig. Okay, there we go. And now, can I push this back in? Am I capable of doing so? Ah, this'll work. Nice little slotted screwdriver. Oh yeah, that's working well. I think I've almost got it. No! Bloody hell, get back in there, you fuck. Ugh. There. I think that's good. I think the final step is going to be once I actually put this thing back together and compress it. Nope, not quite. So the key here is that ring is also making the contact for the outside. It's how we're getting our negative for the battery connected. Alright, I think that's almost got it. God, this is such a... Maybe I should have ordered just a new UV flashlight. I mean, they're pretty cheap, right? Ah, but that wouldn't be as fun, right? Okay, I think that's good. Let me just test this on the... I'll just test it on the bench and see if it works. Nope, still nothing. What can I do to make this work better? Oh, I know. Come on. Nope, that's bridged. Fuck. Oh, I bridged the second one. Let's see if that works. No, still nothing. Ah, God, I suck. Let's see, I'm gonna get in here again and try to get some more on the outer part here. Come on. Think I got it? Let's see if that worked. Yeah, I know it's hacky. Whatever. Still nothing. Okay, I'm doing something wrong here. Because I know that that's shorted together. It's soldered. I'm not getting it dead short, am I? Oh, wait a second. I just realized something. Oh, there we go. Ah, I had the voltage turned down too low. Whoops. Well, now that I did all that, fuck. Let's put this back together now. Cool. UV light. Let's unplug this. And look at that, eh? Nice bright UV flashlight. I wonder if this is any better than the little one I've got. So this is the little one I've got right here. Oh yeah, it's way brighter. That's pretty cool. I don't know. I think that's groovy. So there we go. That was tonight's project. 30 minutes of messing around, and I managed to get this done. And it is October, so happy spooky month, guys. Yay! Halloween's coming, and it's fall, and it's pretty awesome. So anyway, thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Leave any comments or suggestions on how I could have done a better job on that, by the way. But yeah, what you'd like to see on the channel. And don't forget that if you want to help support us, you can join us on Patreon and join the Ms.Fixit Facebook page. And I'm on Twitter and Instagram. I'm all over the place. Plus, we now have a Discord. Cool, eh? There you go. Alright, so thanks for joining us today, guys. And there's my half-assed flashlight modification. Yay, I hope you'd enjoyed. Bye.